Good morning, student. Today my topic is sports and nutrition. In a sports and nutrition, the revision the five. In the revision five, in a revision 4, before one day, I teach the nutrition component of diet. This topic related to nutritive and non-nutritive component of diet. So, first topic is the nutritive component. In a nutritive component, I teach protein, carbohydrate, fat, vitamins, and minerals. In the 5 point in the nutritive component of diet. So completed protein, carbohydrate, fat, and vitamins. So today let's start in the vitamin second part, water soluble vitamins. Completed the region number 4, the fat soluble vitamins. In the vitamin, fat soluble vitamins. In fat soluble vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, this completed. So next today is the water soluble vitamins. In water soluble, the vitamin B complex and vitamin C complex. 2 point in the water soluble vitamin. So let's start. What is the vitamin B complex in the water soluble? Vitamin B complex, there are the 8 vitamins under vitamin B complex. Vitamin B complex, the building of the vitamin B. So vitamin B1 or thiamine, number 1. Number 2, vitamin B2 or riboflavin. Vitamin 3, vitamin B3. The scientific name, niacin. Vitamin B5. The scientific name is pantothenic acid. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B7. The B7 is scientific name is the biotin. Vitamin B12. And number 8 is the folic acid. This is a vitamin. Folic acid is a vitamin. And soluble vitamin is a vitamin C. So today I teach the vitamin B complex and vitamin C. The vitamin B1 complex, number 1, vitamin B1. The scientific name is the thiamine. What is the thiamine? There are the 8 vitamins under vitamin B complex. Number 1, vitamin B. Scientific name is the thiamine. This vitamin is also called thiamine. This is a colorless vitamins. Its taste is salty. It is small, is just like yeast. It is help in the metabolism. Metabolism is a carbohydrate. It maintains the health of liver, kidney, intestine, stomach, and spinal cord, brain. It also maintains the health and efficiency of nervous, muscles, It helps in the assimilations of vitamin A in our body. Deficiency of vitamin B1 cause numerous ailments such as the skin disease, headache, lack of concentration, sleepiness, loss of the appetite, indigestions, constipations, lower heartbeat, and retardations in the muscular efficiency. Due to the accurate storage of vitamin B1, thiamine, and individuals may fall prey to beriberi disease. Its deficiency may cause constipations, irritations, and anger. Development of the body stop if there is any storage of vitamin B1. What is the sources of vitamin B1? Wheat, groundnut, green pea, orange, pigment, liver, egg, green vegetables, rice, wheat, sprout seed are rich source of the vitamin B1. This is a complete vitamin B1, thiamine. Number 2, vitamin B2. The scientific name riboflavin. This vitamin is yellow in color. It is usually destroyed in the sunlight and in cooking the food for a longer time. It helps in presenting and the maintaining the characteristic of youth, tightness and smoothness of skin, activity and body tissue. It is essential to keep the eyes, nose, mouth, lips and tongue in healthy state. The deficiency of this vitamin causes stunted growth, unhealthy skin and inflamed eyes. Its deficiency also decrease immunity power of with blood corpuscles. Source of the vitamin B2 riboflavin. Vitamin B is the reaching found egg, fish, pulses, pea, groundnut, rice, yeast, wheat and green vegetables. Vitamin B3. Vitamin B3 is a scientific name is a niacin. This vitamin is very helpful in the growth of body. The deficiency of the vitamins coarse gray hair. Source of vitamin B3. Milk is the major sources of this vitamin. Along with this vitamin B3 is found in egg, yolk and dry fruit. Vitamin 5. Vitamin B5. Vitamin B5 is the number 4 B complex series. The scientific name is the pantothenic acid. The deficiency of this vitamin causes Pellagra disease. This vitamin also helps in the maintaining the body weight on an individual. The source of vitamin B5 is milk. Polarized rice and the nut are rich sources of the vitamin B5 pantothenic acid. Number 5 point, the complex of the B complex, vitamin B6. This is vitamin is the vital for the formations of hemoglobin. This vitamin also keep the skin healthy. Source. This vitamin is richly found in meat, egg yolk, fish, yeast, rice, wheat and pea, etc. Okay. Number 6. The B complex series, number 6 point is the vitamin B7. The scientific name is biotin. Biotin help release energy from the carbohydrate and aids in the metabolism of fat, protein and carbohydrate from food. The source of the vitamin B7 biotin: egg yolk, milk, fresh vegetable, yeast, breads, cereals, etc. Vitamin B7, the series of the 7 series of the B complex vitamin. Vitamin B12, its color is red. Vitamin B12 color is red. This vitamin is the usually destroyed in cooking for a longer time. Its deficiency may cause anemia. Vitamin B complex number 8 series. Folic acid. What is the folic acid? The very important question for the exam. Folic acid. Folic acid, the tasteless, odorless and yellow in color. Simple cooking can destroy this vitamin B. It is very essential for reproduction and growth and development of body. This vitamin is helpful in blood formations. This deficiency of folic acid may cause loss of the leukocytes. The source of the folic acid. What is the source? Folic acid is found in the yeast, spinach and liver. Vitamin C. The vitamin C, the second water soluble vitamin in non-nutritive components of diet. Vitamin C. What is the vitamin C? Vitamin is also called ascorbic acid. It is a odorless and white in color. Due to the presence of vitamin C, wounds are healed rapidly. It is significant in increasing the metabolism rate. It is helpful and absorbing iron and calcium. It is deficiency of this vitamin cause scurvy. The individual who do not take from fresh fruit and vegetables. Often suffer from the disease. Vitamin C is also helpful in the maintaining the health of the connecting tissues and in the formation of bones and red blood corpuscles. Generally, blood oozes from the gum due to the deficiency of vitamin C in the body. During illness and growth period of children, this vitamin is very helpful. Sources. Vitamin C sources. Vitamin C sources is the lemon, pineapple, orange, mosmi, grapes, apple, green vegetable, turnip, cabbage, spinach, and sprouty pulses are rich in the vitamin C. This vitamin is found in the high quantity in the amla, green chilies, and tomato. Okay. The complete vitamin B complex and vitamin C. Next is the minerals. Very important. Minerals. Definitions and type of minerals. So let's start the minerals. What is a mineral? Minerals are very important nutritive component of food. As mentioned earlier, they are helpful for health and general development of the body. Proper functioning of the muscles, formations of teeth, clotting of blood, and in the maintaining the balance of acid and base in the body. Let us read about benefit of some minerals. Type of minerals. Number 1, calcium is a mineral. What is the calcium? Calcium is helpful in the formation of teeth and bone. It helps in the clotting of blood. It's also maintaining the balance between acid and base. Its deficiency causes numerous diseases such as the asthma, rickets and skin disease like scabies, allergy, chilblains, eczema, etc. Milk cheese, York, orange, green vegetable have rich amount of the calcium. Number 2, phosphorus. It is helpful in the formation of teeth and bones. It is found in egg, fish, meat, milk, liver, and in the unpolished rice. Number 3 is the minerals. Iron. Iron has an important role to play in the human body. It is a play on importance functions in the formation of hemoglobin. It is also helpful in metabolism fat, carbohydrate and proteins. It is absence in the body may cause anemia. This main source of iron is liver. Besides this, it is found in the enough quantity in meat, egg, dry food and green vegetables. Number 4, this is iodine. What is the iodine? Very important question for the exam. Iodine. For the formation and normal functioning of thyroid glands. Iodine is essential. The deficiency of iodine may cause gouty. Its deficiency may hinder the germinal growth and development. A child may remain a dwarf. Its skin become rough and fatty. Its deficiency may stop the growth and development hair. Generally, iodine is not taken in the sufficient quantity by those people who live too far from the sea. It is found in rich quantity in the sea fish. Iodide salt. It is found in the rich quantity is the main source of iodine of vegetable and those who do not eat sea and the regularly. So sodium. What is the sodium? Sodium is very important for our body development and growth. Sodium maintains the balance of acid and base. It is also maintain the balance of water in the body. It also helps in the concentration of muscles. Sodium is available in enough quantity in common salt. Besides this, it is found in the milk and milk product, meat, egg, etc. Number 6 point of the minerals, potassium. Deficiency of potassium weakness the muscles of the body and the individual become lengthy and may contract Addison's disease. It is mostly found in the carrot, beetroot, banana, apple, mango, orange, tomato, onion, pineapple, amla, and like that, etc. Number last is the sulfur. Sulfur is helpful for the formation and functioning of cells of body. It is also helpful in the formation of hair and nails. It is found in the egg, radish, pulse, cereals, bajra, garbage, tomato, spinach, peas, etc. This is mineral. Okay. This mineral have the 7 sources of the minerals: calcium, phosphorus, iron, iodine, sodium, potassium, and sulfur. So today the complete is my topic non-nutritive component. Nutritive component. This is very important. Nutritive component of the diet. Nutritive component, once again I repeat now, nutritive component is the protein, carbohydrate, fat, vitamins and minerals. Protein sources is the animal protein and vegetable protein. Animal protein, egg, milk product, meat, fish. And vitamins, vegetable protein is the bean, soybean, mustard oil, green pea, nut, groundnut, dry food and food grain. And second is the carbohydrate. Carbohydrate sources is the sugar, gourd, banana, potato, grapes, dates, dry pea, gram, pulse and bajra. This is the carbohydrate sources. And fat is the nutritive component of the diet. Fat, animal sources and vegetable sources. Animal sources like that the butter, ghee, cheese, curd, fish, milk, meat and egg. And vegetable sources is the mustard oil, cotton, grain food, soybean, coconut, dry food and etc. Number 4 is the vitamins. Vitamins, there are the type of the vitamins is the fat soluble vitamins, water soluble vitamin. Fat soluble vitamin is the vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. And water soluble vitamin B complex and the vitamin C. Vitamin B complex is the vitamin B complex, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, vitamin B6, vitamin B7, vitamin B12 and folic acid. They are the many sources for the vitamin. Okay. And vitamin C sources, the lemon, pineapple, tomato, amla, peanut, chilies, green vegetables and vitamin C sources. And minerals. Minerals is the nutritive component of diet. The fifth nutritive component of diet. Mineral is the fifth nutritive component diet. In the physical education, mineral is the, what is the mineral? The type of minerals: calcium, phosphorus, iron, iodine, sodium, potassium, sulfur. So this is a complete the nutritive component of diet. Next day, next revision classes, revision number 5, I will teach the non-nutritive component topic. Non-nutritive component topic of the diet is very important for the exam. This topic. Sometimes comes the question, what is the component of diet? So this topic is very important in these questions. Nutritive component and non-nutritive component. So Tuesday, my term, my class in Ursel. In the class, I will teach the non-nutritive component diet. It's very important topic. This is the in the non-nutritive component like that. The type of fiber like that, the roughage, water, color components, flavor component and plant component. Fiber components, roughage, water components, color components, flavor component and plant component. These are non-nutritive. Non-nutritive का मतलब है कि जिसमें से हमें न्यूट्रिशन नहीं मिलता, और जिसमें से हमें न्यूट्रिशन मिलता है, दिस इज न्यूट्रिटिव कंपोनेंट. मैंने पढ़ाया आज न्यूट्रिटिव कंपोनेंट, प्रोटीन, फैट, minerals, vitamin, and non-nutritive, plant, fiber, फ्लेवर कंपोनेंट, कलर कंपोनेंट एंड वाटर. वाटर में से कोई न्यूट्रिशन नहीं मिलता हमको. दिस इज नॉन न्यूट्रिटिव. सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू मच, थैंक यू वेरी मच, एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.